Reviving my dog's fresh scent, tackling pesky allergies, one bubbly bath at a time.
He said you was funky. So you taking care of that. Taking care of that. Ain't they gonna stink, man? He said you was stinking.
Stinky boy. You little stinky boy.
You know, Brownie had the skin issues.
Look at that.
He has the allergy in his gut.
Look at me, Brownie. Look. No, stinky. Stinky.
Right there,
Stinky.
huh?
Stinky. Stinky.
Feel good, huh?
Stinky boy.
Right there, huh? Big boy. Oh, good.
Stinky. What if you bring the bucket closer?
How's his size looking, y'all? How's his size looking?
Look at my dog. Bet you want one like this.
Well, now you don't stink. Now you don't stink.
His nose. His nose.
Now you don't stink, dear fella.
No, where do you think you're going?
Now you don't stink, dear fella.
Let me smell him. Woo! Maybe a little bit more over here.
Nah, he don't stink no more. You would have smelled it.
Wait, Dada.
Huh? He don't stink no more.
No, his.
Nah, I'm not cleaning his blood. He's alright. He ain't no patient.
Look at my dog.
Wow, man, you getting special treatment. Alright, you can stop us.